Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. Me and Coco, can you see Coco? Can you see her? She's down there chilling, and I thought I would just do an impromptu video, okay? I received some things in the post. You already know what it is, okay? It's my Dyson, okay? The Corrale, I don't know. But I received that in the post and I thought I would do an unboxing and just test it out with you guys. Go and get your tea. I got mine, okay? Take your seats, okay? Call your friends. We are going to do this, okay? To you, okay, with my fluffy headband on, because I'm growing my edges back and I don't want you to see what it looks like now. For those of you who are following me, I am on a 1 month challenge. Check this one out right now and get on the challenge. I've been growing them back, and if I show you now, you're gonna know it's not gonna be worth me putting up the whole month I've been recording. It'll be useless, okay? So I'm just covering them up so you can't see anything, all right? So don't forget to watch next week's video because it will be the results video. Right, let's move on, okay, because you and I are interested to see how well this Dyson Supersonic Corrale or Corrale, whatever it's called, how good it is on our hair. I say our hair as in like afro hair. I've already gone ahead and opened part of the bundle, but yeah, we're gonna look at that in a minute. It came in 3 boxes, my bundle. Anyway, okay, right, so in with the bundle came this. So this is a Dyson designed paddle brush. Yeah, I'm very excited to use this. And it's very nice and weighty, I've got to say. Very weighty. It feels, you know, robust. It looks like it's going to really take on some arm work. I don't know what I'm saying. I reckon this could be my new, probably detangling brush, or let's see how that goes for me, creating a really nice definition in my wash and goes. Also, what came with the bundle is this Dyson designed detangling comb. Oh, I've got to say, they have got this right. This looks like a good detangling comb. This is again part of the Dyson Supersonic styling accessory. Now for the creme de la creme. Ooh, I love it. I also love it because it's a woman of colour on the front. Well, she's a lighter colour, but it's fine. She has textured hair, so we're having that. Apparently it's very good on textured hair as well. We're gonna see, okay? We want to see if it's worth their coin. So, oh, I don't even want to break it. Let me just do it nicely. So you get a really nice case. I'm excited. It better be good after spending this much of my own coin. I did contact Dyson, but they were like, who are you? They weren't willing to give me a product for free to advertise for them. The Rev Air were, they were really great. They were like, yes, Mel, we don't care who you are, just take it. All right, so this is the stand that you get. So I'm gonna put that together. And then, oh, Alexa, shut up. All right, so as I was saying, I'm going to put this together quickly off camera and then I'll come back, okay? Okay, so recently I've been doing a little experiment on my hair and I've been leaving it in its stretched out state. So I've either been wearing my hair like this in 2 twists, or I've been wearing on occasion a twist out, and it's been working for me. Now, I don't want to damage my hair, which is why I wanted to opt to using technology like Dyson. Heat training my hair is something that I want to start doing, she says. Could you see the hesitation in saying it? It's time to look at the hair, okay? So my hair's been, oh, look at the moisture on my hair. This is post, what day did I wash it? I washed it on Sunday night. Sunday night I washed my hair. Look at the moisture, still in my hair. I mean, it's going to be, isn't it? Because, you know, all my strands are being held together. Now, another reason why I wanted to use heat on my hair, because I've been against heat for the longest time, because Dyson provided in this tool an intelligence that prevents it from overheating. So, Coral, you are going to do something for me, okay? So I'm going to leave one side curly and then straighten the other side. I won't need to put any more anything in it. Probably some heat protectant. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. So the heat protectant of my choice is the Silk Infusion by Chai or Chi. Let's get it on those ends. I'm slightly nervous. All right. We're on 180 5. I don't know. Will I need the chase method? I shouldn't. Just showing off with this paddle brush, as you do. It's supposed to go with the teeth that are designed to evenly pass the heat around. And you're supposed to go really softly, and the teeth don't pull the hair. Oh, look at the shine. Yeah, that's better be hair burning. Okay. Oh my goodness, that got my hair really straight. My ends, how the ends look. I might take a little bit off them. Okay, you can watch me in speed up time. I have to say I'm not keen on the smoke, but I think it is the chai in it, because I did put a little bit on. Right, let's keep going. Okay. It's not getting it bone straight. Well, I'm not looking for it to be bone straight, because that would have to be, the heat would have to be a lot higher. We're not going to pay a ridiculous amount of money just to get it straight and heat damaged. So this will do, Maybe if I do, because this part is really straight, and I think these parts are too big. So it's got to be really small sections. Note to self. All right. This is the finished look. Can you see how nice and free it is? It's not bone straight. I wouldn't expect it to be, but it's definitely still got a bit of the shine. My hair isn't all stiff. Still got movement, which is what I like. And it feels different. So not bad, huh? I was tempted to put a little kink in it, but I'm going to leave that enough heat for another month at least. So I think that's kind of done it. I don't know how many times a year I'm going to be applying the heat, but for sure, if I am going to be applying the heat and having my hair not just stretched out, but straight hairstyles for hair growth or protective style purposes, at least I'll be doing it with heat controlled devices that might help me along the way. Thank you, Dyson. I am tempted to put some curl in my hair, but you know, I don't want to get too happy now. You know, you get too happy and then you're left with one strand on your head. No, no, it's not. My channel's not about to be one of those channels, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this very impromptu video. I will see you again in my next one. Give it a like, it really helps my channel. And of course, if your friends and family don't know about this Corrale Dyson thing, please let them know about it. There we go. Say hello to everyone. So let's say goodbye now, Coco. Thank you so much from me and Coco for joining us on this week's video. We'll see you again in our next one. You ready for the next? You ready? You ready to say goodbye? Take care and God bless you. Mwah. Bye. Coco, you messed up my little bye thing. Let's see if we can do it again. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.